Hi, welcome to Vallesh. Today we are going to show you how to mount your scratch-off world map in 10 easy steps. First, let's go over the 4 supplies you will need. 1 piece of foam board, 31 1/8 inches by 22 1/2 inches. You can find foam board at your local arts and crafts store such as Hobby Lobby. Have them professionally cut the board to these dimensions. Next, you will need a soft rubber brayer. This can also be found at your local arts and crafts store or online at Amazon. You will also need spray adhesive. We recommend using an adhesive that will not bleed through the photographic paper the map has been printed on. The wrong adhesive could possibly ruin your map. 3M makes high-quality products, and we recommend using the 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive spray. You can find it at many local stores such as Walmart and Home Depot or online at Amazon. Finally, you will need something to cover your workspace. We recommend craft paper, which can be found at Walmart, or you can use other paper you may have around your house. Now that we have covered the supplies we will need, let's get started. Step 1. Find a table or workspace where you can lay your map flat. Step 2. Remove any items on your workspace and cover it with craft paper or another type of paper to prevent any adhesive from sticking to the workspace. Lay your piece of foam board, which has been cut to the size of 31 1/8 inches by 22 1/2 inches on the workspace. Step 3. Using 3 books as paperweights, carefully unroll your map and place one book near the center. Align the edges of the map so it is properly centered on the foam board. Once you have it properly aligned, use the other 2 books to weigh down the right side of the map in its current position. Unroll the left side of the map and double check that it has been positioned correctly. If any adjustments need to be made, please make them now. Step 4. Once the map is in place, cover the right side with a piece of craft paper to prevent overspray from damaging the right side of the map. Step 5. Using your multi-purpose adhesive, shake it vigorously for approximately 1 minute to make sure it is ready for use. When ready, hold the can at least 8 inches away from the surface to be sprayed. Apply a uniform coat of adhesive to the exposed half of the foam board. We recommend 2 light coats to ensure complete coverage. Allow the adhesive to become tacky by waiting approximately 1 to 2 minutes. You can check for tackiness by touching your knuckle to the foam board. If it is ready, the adhesive will not transfer to your skin. Step 6. Place one hand on the craft paper, covering your center weight. Apply pressure to keep the map in place and gently start to unroll the left side of the map using the brayer to adhere the map to the foam board. Using sufficient pressure, continue this process, working from the center of the map to the edges. This will ensure there are no bubbles. Step 7. Slide the craft paper from the right side of the map to the left side, preventing overspray from damaging the left side of the map. Move the books to the left side to hold the craft paper in place. Step 8. Holding the can at least 8 inches away from the surface, apply a uniform coat of adhesive to the right side of the foam board. We recommend 2 light coats to ensure complete coverage. Allow the adhesive to become tacky by waiting approximately 1 to 2 minutes. You can check for tackiness by touching your knuckle to the foam board. If it is ready, the adhesive will not transfer to your skin. Step 9. Use the brayer to adhere the right side of the map to the foam board. Using sufficient pressure, roll the brayer from the center to the edges, which will ensure there are no bubbles. Step 10. Remove the books and all of the craft paper from the workspace. Wait 30 minutes for the bond to set, and you can now begin to enjoy your world map. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us. We are happy to help.